Hi, my name is Kimitina, and this screencast will show you how a teacher can open up a CAMI assignment that a student had turned in using Google Classroom. So as you can see here, I am in my Google Classroom as a teacher, and I'm going to open up the assignment called 030 Demo. And I can see here that one student turned it in. So I'm going to click on View Assignment for the details. And I'm going to see who turned it in, and I'm going to open that up. Okay, and you can see right now it did not open up in CAMI, okay? So I want to be able to open it up in CAMI so that I can annotate using the CAMI tools. So there's two things that I can do here. On the right side, I have the option here to open this PDF file in CAMI by clicking on the icon here, or I can click this down arrow here in the middle and select Annotate with CAMI. So either one option will allow you to open up the PDF file in CAMI. So for this example, let's just use the CAMI icon here on the right. And it is going to open up in CAMI. And I'm going to be able to see the annotations that the student left me on the PDF file. I can see that the student commented on this. So I'm going to reply back here. We'll just say, please use your manipulatives. And I can also leave an audio comment or voice type in comment in here as well. I can also leave more comments in here. So if I wanted to, I can leave a text comment on that, a particular area of the PDF file. I can annotate on here as well. Same tools that are available for the students are available for me to annotate on. All right, and now what I want to do is I want to send this back to the student. So CAMI automatically saves the PDF file and any changes to it. So you don't have to save it, initiate the save. It does that automatically. So what I can do is go back into Google Classroom at this point, and I can give it a grade and return it back to the student. So let's just put 85 in here. I can click return. I can leave private comments in here. And I can click return. And now the student will get the grade, and the student will see the private comment, and the student will be able to view my comments in the CAMI PDF file. I hope you found this screencast helpful.